a campfire. Time for adventure camping it is. Have you ever ventured outdoor to do this? Well, this, guys, is a designated area for camping. And guys, this is my morning face after a cold night sleeping outdoors.
Alright, let me show you around a bit. So this is the campgrounds. There are some other campers over on the other side. See where those vehicles are. Alright, this is a field that children come to play. And that way we can walk to the lake. Or that way. Now here's our pipe. And there's our bathroom. It's this kind. Okay. Yeah, recycling toilet. Yeah, it is not comfortable to use it, but when you got it, right? So I'm just gonna show you around a bit. So here are our cars, and then here we are down here. So yeah, there's a look around. Alright, so we made it homely. Here's our stuff. That's where we had our fire. Tent number 1. Tent. And then there is our tent over there.
And these were our little houses for the weekend. And guess what? This fire helped to keep us warm. I'm so grateful for it.
Yeah, this is a lot of work to do.
And here is another grill, which is optional for cooking or whatever. And guys, I slept on an airbed. It was very cold though, so I had to get an additional sleeping bag.
Oh. Okay, probably shouldn't bring you all in here now, because where's the zipper? So here's my tent.
And here is my light, my electricity. So here comes one dreaded thing now, the pulling down and packing up. As the adventure is over, it is back to real life. Yes, real life. And don't mind me, I did my fair share of work, so I am just having a moment with my camera.
Come in. What?
And just like that, we are all done. The campground is clean, back to the state that we got it in. It is time for you to come now. Yep, I cleaned it up. It's time for you to come and pull it up. And we are gonna drive back now. We're driving back from the campsite, and I must say I had a very satisfying weekend. It was really satisfying to be in nature. Look at the trees around us, and there was also a lake. I walked to the lake, I put my foot in the water. Wow, it was just so calming. All right, so we are back on the main road, and that's literally 25
All right,
minutes
back on the
from
road
home.
already.
So you see, we weren't that far. So friends, be adventurous. It doesn't take much to create memories, and that's something we should do as we journey along in life. Live and enjoy each moment. Please tell me about your camping experience, or if you would like to go camping, or and I must say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.